Okay.
सबके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन थे,
Okay, कोई सो नहीं रहा था।
कोई सो नहीं रहा था। सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि और जो चीज़ें उनको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि कुछ चीज़ें बुक्स में अवेलेबल नहीं होती हैं। तो अगर हम एक्सपीरियंस किसी चीज़ को करते हैं, देन यू कैन ओनली फील दैट। जैसे if I have joined this company, at the time the layout of the assembly has some kind of different things. So I have just given a suggestion to the management that why we are doing sub-assembly far away from the line side. We can minimize the time. In today's session, I have jotted on the many ideas from the students that I will discuss with my team. It will be quite helpful for us also to think of new verticals.
Hi everyone, this is Arav Gupta from Galgotias University. Today we have Ankit sir with us from Honda Motors. Sir, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, would like to know ki how's the campus and how you feeling like here?
Yeah, today I feel amazed. Since a decade ago, I was a part of the university at my college, ITM Gwalior, and right now I feel amazed, revelm the old days. And the you people are quite good as the Gen Zs, but the skill and the thought process are
Gen Z.
quite good.
Yeah, so today sir we will be talking more about what are the innovations going around the industry, automobile industry, how a student of Galgotia is getting placed at Honda, what are the training prospects and you all are giving. Would like you to just have a brief introduction of yours.
Yes, myself is Ankit Saxena, and I have joined this company as a GET in 2013, and since then I have placed in assembly production department, and I am taking care of the new model development, the production, and the projects like the cost down activities, tear down activities. I am the J course and certified F course trainer for the new joinees, and doing the different kind of projects throughout the year. So if anybody got placed at the Honda, so Honda is a very good company to work.
Okay, let me just frame this question in such a way, sir, ki if I'm a student at Galgotias getting placed at Honda, what will be the training aspects?
Okay, there are two aspects. Either from the management side, the management training will be there. From the technical side, the graduate engineer training will be there. And Honda is having a preset curriculum that follows a schedule. Whenever you're going to join, you are going to have an orientation of all the departments, so that you can have an overview of the organization, and then a particular department is assigned to the particulars, and then on that particular department you're going to have a whole year schedule. For that you have to work upon the different aspects and make a diary. The technical diary you have to prepare. The mentor will going to have a evaluation on the daily basis or weekly basis, and the report submission will be there after the end of the training. And during the training, the Honda gives you the perspective that you can think big and think beyond. No restrictions in the ideas. Every idea has a value, and Honda gives that particular.
Like Honda gives you the leverage to work upon your ideas. Being a fresher or like people who just recently joined, they got some kind of ideas. They often being curious over the industry, na? Yep. Sir, let me just go thoda sa or deep. What kind of ideas do you often get around from the people?
Yeah, just say I have joined this company, at the time the layout of the assembly has some kind of different things. So I have just given a suggestion to the management that why we are doing sub-assembly far away from the line side. We can minimize the time. We can relay out. So management shows the trust on me. I make the engineering drawings of the new layout, got approved from the management, and our efficiencies goes up by 45% from that before.
That's great.
This is a platform where the company believes in you, gives you the infrastructure, place where you can think and implement the things.
Yep. That's great, sir. Well, how's your life going around, like from the starting of the day, end of the day?
Fabulous.
क्या करते हो आप?
My day starts at 6 o'clock in the morning, and my shift ends at 3 o'clock. But जाते जाते मेरे को शाम के 6-7 बज ही जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
I love to work because this is a place where I can think, I can implement. So that's why I'm still associated with Honda. Though other opportunities from the market are coming, but money is not everything.
Okay, what are the other verticals or other leverage points you're getting instead of money?
The self-satisfaction.
Self-satisfaction.
That I have decided to take the mechanical engineering when I was in 9th standard, and luckily I am the part of this organization from where I was seen the aluminum ingot in high pressure die casting converts into molten metal and then converts into beautiful engine generators. So I am loving people of the machines, and I'm doing that same job.
Like on a daily basis, you love the work, whatever you do now.
Yes.
Nice, sir. So as you were talking prior to the podcast about innovation technologies, you were very curious. You just mentioned everything. So would like to have a very detailed discussion कि how Honda is adapting new technologies. इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया में क्या अब अगला आने वाला है?
Oh, क्या अगला आने वाला है that you will see that I cannot disclose right now.
Nice.
But Honda is doing a great R&D, and in upcoming years you will definitely gonna see that what a beautiful products we are gonna launch on this new era, new technology, and the continuous R&D is going on. Customer feedback right now, that today's session I have jotted down the many ideas from the students that I will discuss with my team. It will quite helpful for us also that to think on new verticals. So Honda thinks that every idea, it is not good or bad, just you have to evaluate how you can take the maximum from that particular idea.
Yep, Ankit. So which type of feedback did you get from the students over here?
Like the strategies
Strategies, thoda sa और deep.
means how we can improve the marketing, how we can improve the sales and the marketing of the EV, and like general purpose engines, the change in the means in the industry like AI and all that, how we can match up. So these are the thinking.
What do you think? How these things can be resolved, or how we can improvise all these things at Honda? Any kind of suggestions?
Yes. Since Honda is an old company, we are 40 years now. So we are having a old tradition kind of technology we are working upon, but recently our management is changing the pace, and we are going to inline with the existing technology. We are having the one team project, renovations has been done. Now we are working on the how we can make the factory working on the AI based data interpretation, logs will be there. So our team is working on that.
Sir, in every industry is booming and every company is adopting. So as you just said over here itself कि AI का use कर रहे हैं. Would like to talk more about कि किन verticals में you are using AI, कैसे कर रहे हो, what are all the things you are automating with that?
So in machining shop, there is a huge scope of automation and the use of AI, where we can reduce the manpower and fatigue as well. The basic thing is the fatigue. Wherever the fatigue is there, the associate cannot perform very well. So in that area, the data is very much important to improve any kind of process. So right now we are having manual system of the calculations. So we are improvising the AI technology so that we can have a great database over there. We can analyze and improve our current processes that is under process.
Well, sir, let's just talk thoda sa about you. You just said कि in your 9th standard about that mechanics. So it was your decision or a family-based decision?
No, it is totally my decision.
Okay, and what led you to get into this industry only? That interest वाला factor कैसे आया वो?
No, I was quite fascinating about the machines, how the engine is running.
Since starting?
Since starting. Since in 6th or 7th class, when I go to the library, I would love to study the steam engines. How this piston is moving up to and fro, what is happening inside it. So from there, the craze is increasing about the study of engines, how these machines are running. So that's why I was quite focused about mechanical and have taken that branch.
So you were very obsessed with that.
Yes,
So what do you think? Like you might be, as we mentioned, you might be facing multiple ideas of a newcomers, of freshers. So what are the mistakes freshers often do after joining Honda, or like?
Mistakes are very much important. अगर आप गलती कर रहे हो तो that is a very good thing. क्योंकि गलती आदमी वही करेगा who is doing something. But in Honda we believe that making mistake is good, but repeating the same mistake is not good. So this is the philosophy.
Sir, जितनी भी हमारी बात हुई है ना, it seems like कि Honda has a very good work culture over there.
Yes.
तो उसके बारे में would like to talk.
Work culture means family life balance, working life balance. You can say it is quite good at Honda. We are having the Saturday off, means only 5-day working.
Okay.
And the working hours is just 9 hours. It is up to you that if you want to extend, you can do the job till late.
It's very flexible.
Flexible.
And what about the higher management or kind of managers to whom you often report?
Yeah, anybody can reach anybody is the factor I have told earlier also. And the thing is that if you go to the CEO of the company with some kind of, he will listen to you.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Might be in such big companies there used to be hierarchies that you cannot approach.
Hierarchies
the
are
CEO.
there, but if you want to go to the out of the box, you can go.
You
Nobody
can just
stops
present your idea, and
Yes.
it's really nice.
Hierarchy is good, you have to follow. But somehow, if in a casual meeting you can discuss, the people will listen you.
Nice. Sir, what are your upcoming plans? How you're gonna treat your life for the next 5 years, 6 years?
So in the next 5 years, I'm trying to learn the Japanese. So
Japanese language?
language,
Why?
because I am having the most Japanese management.
Acha.
So my dealing hands are the Japanese. So sometimes it is quite difficult to communicate in English because their English is not so good. So I'm trying to learn the Japanese so that I can have a better idea
Communication.
sharing.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that my time consumption in the making him understand what I'm thinking.
How hard is to learn Japanese?
Japanese is quite hard,
Nice, nice.
but it is a good language. It is quite similar from Hindi.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Cool. Sir, lastly, Ankit sir, what type of advice you would like to give to all the Galgotias students studying here?
You people are quite good, and from the papers I get to know that your strategic mind is working very good, and a good communication skill can lead the Galgotians to new heights. You have to work upon that.
Nice. Sir, I would like to talk thoda sa more about the session you have delivered. What was it about? And students से multiple feedbacks मिले होंगे, questions उन्होंने पूछे होंगे. So what kind of questions?
Batch is very good.
Okay.
Energetic batch.
Okay.
सबके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन थे.
Okay. कोई सो नहीं रहा था.
कोई सो नहीं रहा था. सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि और जो चीज़ें उनको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा था कि कुछ चीज़ें बुक्स में अवेलेबल नहीं होती हैं, है ना. तो अगर हम एक्सपीरियंस किसी चीज़ को करते हैं देन यू कैन ओनली फील दैट क्या है. जैसे एक क्वेश्चन एक आदमी का था, उसमें उसका नाम भूल गया लड़के का. ही इज आस्किंग अबाउट द ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स.
Okay.
In any organization, or either government or private sector, office politics will be there, but it is up to you that how you going to tackle that.
Yeah.
So it is totally dependent upon the human psychology, how you are treating that. Either it will be good, either it will be bad, but it is about you that how you are thinking on that. So you have to make a perspective of yourself and the patience. I have I have said that the main thing you have to tackle is the patience. If you are having the patience, you can have enough ample amount of time and energy you can exceed.
Nice. Very good, sir. So thank you so much for your time, sir. It was pleasure talking from you. Multiple things मैंने आज सीखी और मैंने जानी.
नहीं, मैंने भी आप लोगों से आज कुछ बहुत कुछ चीज़ें सीखी, जो थॉट्स थे आप लोगों के, जो परसेप्शन है, काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा लगा मेरे को. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time. Yeah.
थैंक यू.